Welcome back, children. Now we will continue the exercise reading part 2. So in part 1 we read or we understand what are the new words, words meaning and the match the following. I hope you all watch and read this exercise part and also you written in your science classwork. Now I read the next part, that is question number 2, match the columns. First one, solid. Solid, out of the 3 states of water, the first state of a water, it is a solid. In solid, all molecules are very closely packed and they have a force of attraction in between the molecules. So solid, which example I told children, are you remember? Solid ice. Ice is a solid because that solid ice can take it has a shape, fixed shape, means solid match with ice. Second one, liquid. It is the second state of a water, liquid. Whatever we drink in water na, it is in the liquid form, and that liquid match with the water. In the liquid, all molecules are very far away from each other. They have a low force of attraction in between the molecules. Now the third one, gas. It is the third stage or third state of a water, gas. And this gas match with water vapor. Gaseous state, which one? Water vapor. In the gaseous state, all molecules are very far away from each other. That's why they don't have a fixed shape. Which one? Liquid and gas do not have a fixed shape. Why? Because the molecules of these two states are very far away from each other. So you match in test book also. Now the next question, that is the answer the following. First question, what is water cycle? Answer, the continuous process of evaporation, condensation and rainfall is called water cycle. Now water cycle what? The first stage of a water cycle, evaporation. Evaporation means what? The change of a water into water vapor due to heating. It is called as a evaporation. Now the second stage of a water cycle, condensation. Condensation means what? The change of a water vapor into water due to cooling. It is called as a condensation. And the rainfall means when the rainfall starts, when the cloud become more and more heavier, then the rainfall or precipitation start. So got na children? The water cycle, it is a continuous process of evaporation, condensation and rainfall is called as a water cycle. Now the second question, how can we change the states of a water from solid to liquid, liquid to solid and liquid to gas? Means how I tell na, water is an interchangeable substance or matter. Why we called as a water is an interchangeable substance? Now listen the answer. First one, A, from solid to liquid. How can we change solid to liquid? When we heat the ice, it will melt into water, the liquid state. When we heat the ice or we keep the ice outside the freezer, then automatically by using the room temperature, the ice will melt. Ice will melt and form the liquid state. So answer is when we heat the ice, it will melt into water, the liquid state. Now the next one is from liquid to solid. How can we change liquid to solid? When water is cooled inside a freezer, it turns into solid state. When we keep the water inside the freezer, after few hours what happen? These water become ice na? Means when we cool the water inside a freezer, it turns into the solid state. The solid state of a water, which one? Ice. Now the next one, C1, from liquid to gas. How can we change liquid to gas? When water is heated, it changes into steam or water vapor, the gaseous state. Means from liquid to gas. How can we change liquid to gas? When we heat the water, what happens when we heat the water? The water changes into water vapor, and these water vapor, when get the coolness, it convert into water. So got now? How can we change liquid to gas? When water is heated, it changes into steam or water vapor, the gaseous state. Now the next third question, why does the water take the shape of the container into which it poured? So answer is the because in the liquid form does not have a fixed shape. In water, only solid water has a fixed shape, but the liquid and gaseous stage of a water, it does not have a fixed shape. Got an answer? Because water in the liquid form does not have a fixed shape. Here our exercise question answers are completed. Now I give some extra questions. First question, fill in the blanks. First one, water exists in a dash forms. How many forms? 3 forms. Water exists in a 3 forms. Which are these 3 forms, children? Solid, liquid and gas. These are the 3 states of water. And the second sentence, frozen water is called ice. Which water is called as a ice? Frozen. When we keep the water inside the freezer, it turns into ice. So the frozen water is called as a ice. Now the next one, third one, water vapor rises up and form cloud. I told in video also, when the water from the water bodies gets heated due to sun's heat, the all waters gets evaporated, means there is a change of water to water vapor. Then these water vapor goes upward and they form cloud. So water vapor rises up and forms cloud. Now I read next other extra question answers. Now the next one, extra question answers. First one, how many forms does water exist? Means how many states of water? Water exists in 3 states or 3 forms as solid, liquid and gas. Water exists in 3 main states, that is a solid, liquid and gas. Solid means ice, liquid means day-to-day drinking water, and gas means water vapor. Now the next question, second question, what is steam? Steam means what? A hot water vapor is called steam. A hot water vapor, it is called as a steam. Now the third one, how can we change the state of water? How can we change? Anyone know the answer? How can we change the state of water? In video I told water is an interchangeable substance or matter. Now listen the answer. We can change the state of a water by heating or cooling. By heating and cooling, we can change the state of a water. For example, when we heat the ice, it will melt into liquid, and when we heat the liquid, it can convert it into water vapor. And when these water vapor get coolness, they form water. That's why the water is called as an interchangeable matter. So children, here we completed our lesson number 10 exercise and all other parts. So you first of all read these question answers, memorize, and then write in your science very neatly. So children, in second SEM syllabus I completed 7th lesson our body, 8th lesson be alert and be safe, and now the 10th lesson water. So children, you can complete the notes of these 3 these 3 lessons in your science classwork and memorize it. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe and save water.